Hello everybody and welcome back to Rachel and Bella Crafts. I hope you're all well. So I have just received, I'm so excited, my winter journal from the journal swap event from our Facebook group, Junk Journal Trading Post. My swap partner is Jo, and she has an Instagram page called The Journal Lady. So if you wanted to go and check her out, please do so, because she makes some beautiful, beautiful items. And I was so excited to be able to swap with her for this event. I'm not sure, I think it may be her first swap event with our group actually. But yes, so always a bit nervous when you're swapping journals, because you're always a bit like, oh, you know, is my work going to be good enough? And, you know, I know a couple of the girls were having a bit of a wobbly in the week, and I was like, just explain to them at the end of the day, this is how we learn. So this is why we love to do journal swaps, because it gives you the opportunity to look at, to feel, to see in your hands a real life junk journal. And you know, we can watch lots of YouTube videos, but sometimes there's nothing quite like seeing the real thing in front of you, is there? So yes, I was very excited to have her as my swap partner this month. I'm not going to waffle anymore. I'm going to let you have a good look at this beautiful, beautiful journal she's just sent to me. So obviously the cover she has stitched around with this lovely, interesting stitch, which I very much like. And then she's put this beautiful lacy burlap on the bottom. There's a bit of scrappy fabric, which is gorgeous, on the back. The closure is a piece of ribbon, which she's very cleverly threaded through the binding so that it doesn't get lost. And then she's done this beautiful lacy collage on the front, and that is just stunning. So there we go. Let's take a little look inside, shall we? Oh my word, look at this. Wow. I don't know what it is. It's something really effective about a journal where the corners are rounded off. I never think to do it. But that is just lovely. So we've got a lovely page here. The paper is quite thick actually. It's definitely cardstocky standards, which is great because that will really stand the test of time. Lovely bit of writing space here. That's really sweet. I'd love to know how you did that, Jo, because that is just gorgeous. I'm guessing you've got a little punch for that or something. But yeah, I would love to know how you did that. Again, a bit more lovely writing space. Love this page as well. Lovely lacy tab on the end. So this is fab because there's lots of lovely writing space. And then I love all the different sizes of the pages. That's beautiful. Really lovely. Gosh. So we've got a pocket here that has been embossed and then inked. That says Antique Fair. Oh, I love that. And that is stuffed full of ephemera. And oh gosh, look at that page there. Everything just looks like it needs to be smoothed. So we've got some lovely replica vintage ephemera here. We've got a library card. We've got, I'm loving your corner cutters. These are great. Doesn't it make it, oh, and there's writing space on the back of that one as well. And then we've got a postcard. That is gorgeous. And another one. Gosh, these are cute, aren't they? And then that one there, I recognise that picture. That's gorgeous. Oh, I like this. Now, Jo is an absolute whiz with die cuts and things, because I've been looking at a lot of those things on her page this last week, and she's got some really interesting things on this. So please do go and check out her Instagram page, The Journal Lady. I will put a link in the description box below. But it's always good to support each other's social media. So if you do get a moment, I really would appreciate you going and saying hi to Jo. I love this. Ah, this is beautiful. Really, really lovely. And these edges are just, I don't know, they just keep catching my eye. So pretty. Now I feel like something, something moves here. I wasn't sure which way to go. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. I love that little belly band there. And then we've got a layered tag. Gosh, this is like my ticket pockets, isn't it? How cute is that? A little clock in the middle. I like that very much. Very much. There we go. Lace on the tab as well. And then we've got a lovely bit of journaling space there again. Very nice. I think that might be a book page there. I might be right in saying. Oh, maybe not. No, maybe not. Okay. Gosh. Writing space on the other side. These are lovely. And then a little die cut there. Very pretty. Lots going on, lots of different layers. Oh, what have we got here? Right, so we've got a few pages here now that are held together with this page topper, which is a postcard and a postcard that's been stitched together with a bit of tab. Gosh, what a great idea. And we've got some nice brown paper there. And then we've got a pocket here with a postcard in. Another card with a lovely die cut. And then another beautiful postcard. Oh, these are marvellous. Let's pop that one there. And then they all fit nice and neatly in there. A lovely mason jar. Oh, that is stunning. I love that. That is really lovely. Beautiful pages. I recognise the style. I'll have to double check with her whose kit it is, but I do recognise the style of work. I think I know whose it is, but I don't want to get it wrong, so I will double check with her. That's really lovely as well. I love these little note papers as you go along. They're really cute. Another one of my lovely die cuts. Lots of lovely writing space. Very nice. Oh, that's interesting, isn't it? Like a tie-dye. And then we've got this, a really nice flow of different textures and papers and things. Love that page. Gosh, they remind me of my favourite biscuits. If you live in the UK and you have had a box of Fox's biscuits, there is a biscuit in the Fox's biscuit tin. But Fox's biscuits over here, by the way, are like, yeah, they're top-notch biscuits. And there's a chocolate one, that shaped, and that is my favourite chocolate biscuit. Incidentally, not able to eat them at the moment, obviously, because I'm eating healthy, but I mustn't look too much at the pages, make me think of chocolate biscuits now. Yum, yum. But yeah, if you ever come to the UK, make sure you try some Fox's. I don't know, actually, perhaps they're not just in the UK. I don't know. I'm being very presumptuous there, aren't I? These are cute. Love that. Do you get Fox's biscuits worldwide? I don't know. They're very scrummy. If you don't know what you're missing. They're the best Dunkin' biscuits. You know when you dunk a chocolate biscuit and like the chocolate... Oh, anyway, enough of a chocolate. Look, I've gone off on a tangent. That's lovely. That's the other half to that. Like tie-dye paper we were looking at earlier on, is it perhaps? No, maybe not. It's not in the middle yet. So it's gorgeous gold print over the top. It's lovely. Really beautiful mixture of papers in here. Really lovely. I'm loving all the blues. Nice little writing spot there. Oh, these are cute. Oh, very cute. And are they? I think they are. They're removable, aren't they? Yeah, they are. Not that you'd want to remove them, but very cute. And then this one then folds out. I love that. And then on the back then we've got another writing spot. Very nice. And then here, a lovely pocket. Stuffed to the gills with ephemera. So we've got a nice little writing spot there. Oh, that's lovely. What a great idea. And that's blue ink with a stamp on it. My goodness. It's very simple but so effective. And then lots of lovely blue things you own end up owning you. Oh, that's very interesting. That's good thought for the day there. Let's pop that in there. Then we got another lovely image here. Some more lovely writing space. That's so sweet. I really love these little flaps. I'm gonna have to give these a try. They are a fabulous idea, they are, Joe. So here then we've got, oh, look at that. It's a faux envelope. Good grief, it's that faux. I had to feel that then to check that it wasn't real. Very good. Let me just peg that back on there so I don't lose it. Even my paper clip, what's it called? Bulldog clip look is even colour coordinated with the theme. Beautiful. More of those lovely Fox's biscuits. Let's call that. That's beautiful. Really lovely. Love these little pages here. They are fantastic. Lots of lovely writing space in this journal. Really lovely. Really lovely. And that's gorgeous, that page there. This paper is very unusual. I wonder whether she's printed that herself on there. And then we've got another pocket here, stuffed full of ephemera. We've got a cute little snowman die cut. Love makes clear the eyes that else would never see. Love makes blind the eyes to all but me and thee. Very nice. And then we've got some vintage ephemera here. Some faux vintage ephemera, just so. Oh, I've got checks in a kit, look, and I never think to put them in. That's really smart. I need to start printing out some of my ephemera kits because I just don't use them as much as I should. That's the only problem when you're designing them, you're just always moving on to the next designs. Ooh, this is lovely. Very nice. Very nice. And again, what a lovely journaling space, you know. Got lots of writing space there, but nobody's going to think to go in that when they're opening up the journal, are they? So, good thinking. Batman, as we say. Pop that behind there. Put that back in there, and then our little snowman just in the front. Oh, he fits in there just nicely. Yeah, my son is playing a rendition of something on the piano next door. I hope he's not playing too loud. He'll end up with a copyright request on my my video. I don't want that. Oh, I love that little pocket. But look at the butterfly on there as well. That is so cute. With a little writing spot on there as well. Love, 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 love that. Very nice. There we go. And that's gorgeous on there too. And then we've got writing space. Beautiful winter bunnies. Nice tab on the end of the page there. Oh, another. I love these stuffed envelope, stuffed pockets. They're just so exciting. Very nice. Got another check there, and then oh, it's a cute little idea. That's the end of an envelope. Look, the window bit, and she's made a little cute little robin calling card in there. Very nice. Very nice. There we go. And then another one of those lovely pages with another tab. Oh, another stuffed pocket. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we've got the tag. Oh, I like that. That's super cute. That's fab. That really is fabulous. I love that. And then we've got this beautiful lady here, and then this lovely picture here. A nice wintry scene. Oh, imagine we wake up to a bit of snow tomorrow. How exciting would that be? Especially as I just opened my winter journal. Very eventful. There we go. There. And then writing page. Another one of those really cute journaling spots. Another beautiful writing page with a die cut. And then the final page and this beautiful snowflake die cut. Gosh, look at the size on that. You must have a very large die cutting machine, that's all I can say. Well, Jo, thank you so much for this beautiful journal. I will treasure that. As much as I'm tempted to write in it, because it actually really lends itself to writing notes in, I wouldn't ruin it with my handwriting. It is just so lovely. That's going to go in pride of place on my bookshelf behind me in my lovely craft room. And I'm going to pop that with all the other lovely journals I've been sent and treasure. So thank you very much for that. I'll just pop that little note on the back there so I don't forget who sent it to me. If any of you wanted to sign up to one of our Facebook group journal swaps, there is a new event just set up now in the group. If you go to our group, Junk Journal Trading Post, go to the events tab, and there is a new spring journal swap event. Go and have a look at the instructions in there. All the details are in the directions box, and it'll tell you what you need to do. Have a lovely day, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I will be back with you very soon. Take care now. Bye.